So Bert, school me real quick on the project. You've been coming here since the 70s. Oh, those turkeys right there?
Yeah.
School me on the project. You've been coming here since what, the 70s? Or
Yeah.
60s, something like that? For the turkeys? See that?
Yeah.
Now I've been coming here since the early 90s. But when you think of the projects, I think when people think of the projects, they think of like the Cabrini Greens in Chicago, or the PJ projects over in Watts in California. Like,
yeah, it ain't like that no more, man.
Projects, I don't think they're not as bad as they used to be. Back in the 70s or 60s, yeah, they've tightened. It's strange, like you see people with computers and stuff now. You see people. The world's changed so much. It's just like the middle class. There really is no middle class anymore. Everything's blended together. Look, you okay, you know a dude named Jimmy Hampson? You see that school right there?
Yeah.
Somebody was telling me about how somebody was somebody was breaking in there and stealing wiring out that school, man. Out of King. The only elementary school in the Heights still running is Edgewood. I know.
My grandkids go there.
I went to Loftus. Loftus is closed.
Oh shit, no. Ah.
Huh.
No. East Grade's Loftus?
Yeah.
No, it ain't closed.
They reopened it?
Yeah. On Lakey Street?
No, Loftus right next to you.
On
7th Street, man.
70 something.
No, the elementary school.
Yeah.
Right next to
East Grade Loftus?
Yeah.
Real Dutch?
Huh?
That's Dutch.
That's Doug?
Dutch. Dirt.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I feel those nights, man. Fuck my ear up.
It's a Keter man owns that store.
Huh?
It's a Keter man owns that store.
Right here?
No, that store right there.
Bullshit. Give me bullshit. One thing Keterman owns is probably down the street from our house.
Damn, Keter man owns that?
Huh?
Keter man owns that?
Yeah.
Damn.
They're a apartment building.
Damn.
On the corner. Keterman don't own shit.
Keter man's a baller. Keter man got 4 houses and 4 cars and 4 People used to say stuff like that.
house he on, man.
Huh?
I'm gonna show you the house he on.
Alright.
Man, oh shit. That's what he on.
Can you remember that apartment complex? Damn.
That's it.
I turn that into a.
That's it. That's all.
You get turned into that's all. You get turned into a restaurant. I gut everything in there out and do what the Chinese people do.
Go Ben.
My cousin pull up. Here you go, right here.
Good, okay. For food?
Hey, so you never heard of anything about me on SSI?
What?
Huh?
For what?
Just Damn.
Damn.
Yeah. Look, it's Rudy.
Hey, fat boy.
What's up? Hey, you gonna call? Hey, help me get one of them. Help me see if I can get one of them girls back on the thing.
I'll call you when I get you the house.
What's up, man?
You what? Me too. Bitch. A gray hair do this. Shut up, punk.
Damn, she had a nice body, but her face was fucked up though, boy.
Yeah.
Them bitches be looking fucked up out here.
I was trying to get
Raggedy ass bitches, huh?
I was trying to get where you from.
Everybody fucked the bitch, now he wants to marry her.
Yeah. What's going on, fool?
Yeah, let me hit a couple more corners. Let me get some more. You know it's Halloween.
Oh, yeah.
I think I know where a party is. My homie, Q-Ball.
Yeah, but I got to, I take them kids out tonight.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Well, that car is gonna back up into you?
I thought so.
I got this camera up, man. There's, I film where I go. I had these weird people working for a community watch group, man. Paying people to do all sorts of weird stuff and follow me. It was really sick, man. Then I had sent this girl flowers and making YouTube videos about it. And they came to my house and took my computers and said I was stalking the girl, and then they reversed the girl's name in the police report. And gave false testimony against me in court, man. I had to sit in jail for 7.5 months. Over nothing, man. Over nothing. Over some fucking nothing trash fucking bitch.
So what we're doing now?
Just hitting corners. I'm making a presentation for a college, man, a university called Cornell University and Harvard, different student organizations at the colleges. I'm gonna edit it up though. I've been through some stuff, man.
I know.
Some crazy stuff, man. It's all good though. I'm reducing the size of it, small thing now.
Yeah, but you know what, Jamil, you have to take it one day at a time, bro.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
One day at it, right. Like they say in Alcoholics Anonymous, one day at a time.
Hold that shit down, bro.
Huh?
Hold it down.
The camera? Oh, you mean my life?
No. Hold your life down.
Oh, yeah. Hey, can we go back over there by those rooms real quick before we go back?
I'm trying to find that bitch that popped you off yesterday.
Nah.
This you.
Oh, man.
Stop lying.
Passing with the things you say, passing up on
Man.
I don't know who that you see. There was a white car and two other cars following it.
Yeah.
Whoever that bitch was driving, that's a nasty ass looking bitch, man. They were trying to make that had something to do with some sort of assignment on me, man.
Think so?
I believe so, yeah. That looked like a nasty ass bitch somebody threw away, but somebody wants to try to use that against me as an assignment. Damn! Hey, look, he's filming it too.
Yeah.
Damn! And it, look. Damn!
Straight down, up in here.
Go straight down.